nice.
Thank you. Get it off TikTok shop.
And she'll get money off of it.
Like $1. Why are we running? It's perfect condition to run. And simply must go.
I'm gonna sing this to Ryan.
We made it to our favorite place.
I like this game. I've played these games before.
Okay, go, Avery.
Oh my gosh, my hand.
Woo! Me and Mal already did it. Oh, she elegant. Woo!
Dancing great.
What is this from?
Anastasia.
Oh. Can we please go inside?
Yes,
It's so
please.
cold.
Oh, my hands are about to fall off and I have gloves on. Avery, how are your hands holding?
It's cold outside.
It's so cold outside.
It has snowed and we have ventured in it. But back home we go. We're at the game now. And it's really cold out. Our faces are freezing.
Wait till
That is really embarrassing. Oh, but that was beautiful.
It was a great fall.
She did like a death drop. But like, that was a death drop. That was like a hurt. Oh my gosh, well, at least I know I can do that. He was also silent.
Okay, that's a cute one. Look at your angel. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, we're going to play in the snow with no sled, but Ian made a makeshift sled. Good job, Ian. Hey vlog.
Sup?
Mallory looks really comfortable. We're going to go sledding.
Whoop whoop.
Oh, Survivor. We just started Heroes versus Villains season 20.
my root beer.
Oh,
I was wondering whose that was.
dang! I'm jealous. I wish I had my Diet Dr Pepper right now.
We can stop at
Times 2.
It is so snowy. Hey, wait! This is so exciting!
Hold on, wait.
She's filming with her camcorder.
Triple
vlogging? Ah! Triple vlog!
This one has really bad audio
The
quality.
audio.
Yep.
Triple vlog.
Triple vlog!
I'm gonna borrow some
going to that
skis. I'm gonna
location?
ski down this ramp.
Jump
Yeah, I'm gonna do my jump.
right into Boomer Lake. Yes. You have to
Wait,
do
I can sit
that.
on it. I would distribute my weight across the ice very evenly, and then I could probably make it halfway across before it crashes and I die. But
You don't weigh anything.
oh my gosh, wait, you're right.
I don't think that it's gonna be frozen.
But hypothetically, it is.
Hey,
Is it slick at all?
No, I tried to slide because I almost died when I got out of the car.
We're getting sleds from our friend Abby. Shout out. Yay! Yay, Abby with the sleds. Oh, that one's a sturdy sled.
That one goes down the hill.
It's metal. Holy crap.
Yes.
We'll bring another one when we come. But
Sweet, we'll pull.
It's HJ, so.
Perf. Well, we'll see you when you pull up.
Okay.
Not broken in it is metal.
I'll go. Somebody guard Boomer Lake. And then.
Okay, we made it to the hill. Woo! Made it to the hill, got new gang members. I'm scared. Oh! Oh.
Ian, go on a track.
No, go on it.
He's like mattress surfing.
Caleb and his sled.
With the bottom, with the tape bottom.
Tape bottom? Ooh, nice.
It's in the That's a power play right there.
How are you feeling, girls?
Amazing. So great.
10 out of 10 experience.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Maybe a little bit of work.
Cold, yeah, but so fun. Vibe.
Okay,
Skyly keeps.
what are you about to do?
I'm about to breeze down the hill. It's getting a little cold out here, but
Your snow on your face is killing you. Ready, set, go. It is. I liked going down the double hill.
I did.
It's really cold. Avery stepped in the lake like a dummy. Mesa Taylor, you look like you made a few crashes. What do you have to say to the vlog?
Well, first of all, to Avery. Every day is an IQ test. Thank you, just failed. Well, she stepped in the lake.
Yeah, nobody.
Avery and them, I think
I
they
guess
are
is the
going to
only
go
one that
get new socks, I hope. But I'm about to go again.
Okay, guys, Skylar's about to go. We're hoping for the double slope. Okay. She's off. Go, Skyly! Ben Madley in the back trash talking her. Woo!
Kinley's going again.
But then
Woo! Didn't do it. Let's see it.
what is he doing?
We'll tag team it. I'll get this right. Y'all keep your feet up like this?
Yeah.
Yes. Lean back. Lean back. Oh. Not far back.
Oh, he saved himself.
Keep going. Lean. Lean. Yes. He wants this. Too much. Oh. What?
Let's go, Kate! Come on! Dang, Kate. Oh. That's awesome.
What do you have to say about that?
Good job, Kate. Proud of you. That was a great run, Kate.
Nice kid. Oh.
Vlog, I think the strat is go together in a circle. Stay tuned for results. Vlog.
Don't break it though.
We're doing a little standing action. Super. You got it? Don't take it with you now.
1, 2, 3, go.
Red.
Okay, guys. Me and Emma went.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun going together, isn't it? It's so fun.
Okay, here we got a duo.
Lean back, lean back.
Oh my gosh. Look at her go. Oh, there they go, there they go.
Lean back, lean back, lean back.
Yikes.
Just gotta jump and go.
Red. Look at her spin.
Lean, Bill.
Here's the game. Oh, here we go. Mr. McFatridge on the runway. Here he goes, full speed. Not very fast. Look at them climb, all of them. Slow. Kinley's walk quite the trek away.
There you go. He's in pain.
Come on, come on.
Lean back.
That is.
That's good.
Lean back, lean back.
No, honestly not.
Yeah.
That was good. It was really fast.
How's your butt?
It really hurts.
She shows the camera.
Yeah, Kate.
Yeah, Kate! Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah.
Which is good.
Lean. Lean.
Snowboard, or not snowboard. Sled. You can fly.
How are you gonna do it?
Maybe like another 30 minutes.
I'm pumped. Let's get it.
Okay.
Back to the car to warm up.
Oh.
That's romantic. No, you want the other side?
Here you go, boys. Lock in. Lock in.
Yeah.
You know what? I love
Oh, they missed it. Honestly, I think that was the pusher's fault.
I don't think so.
Are you trying to keep the big four?
No!
Nice job.
Ben.
You want to spin?
Yeah.
Here, wait, grab his feet, ready?
Take mine.
I feel like you're the... And then push.
There's a chance that we come back.
Yes, Ian!
We'll see. Like, people are out here.
It's quite cold.
You think you were going to push it that whole way? It's true. I think I underestimated.
Cool runnings. That's what this is gonna look.
You got your lucky egg? How are we feeling, guys?
I hate Kate Dillon.
I think I broke my back.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
got
you
so many
got
times.
air.
What are we going to court for?
Oh, I didn't know who that was. I was like, oh my god. Lean back, lean back. No.
Okay, Mason, come push me.
It's cold.
It is cool.
I think I'm gonna try the plastic one next. I want to catch some air.
I want to Kinley too.
Kinley's good at
I
it.
think Mason's got to like shove some down his hair, and then I did a backflip on it. Did you see?
Oh, you did?
Oh! Flipped.
Hi to the vlog.
Mason, are you dead?
Good.
He's a designated pusher.
Are you cold? Yep. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
I'm really scared.
Hey, maybe hold on next time.
I like it.
Oh, so good.
Back.
Grown men don't watch the weather.
That's all I had this morning.
This undone. I made over and I stayed up.
You did.
Oh my god. 1, 2. Dang it, no, stand up.
Okay.
But you ready to slide?
Yeah.
But you want to cardboard it?
Yeah.
Where's my sled?
Nice! That was good. Dang! That's good!
Bring the sleds over here.
Oh, nice.
That was really high.
Kinley almost died. Dude.
Kinley hit so hard. Good job, Kinley!
See her butt. It was bad.
Man, you hit so hard. That was gnarly, guys.
You didn't land it, but you did great.
Whew.
Oh, man. I saw heaven for a few minutes.
All my partner here. She's awesome.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, Well, I might vlog later. That is a wet piece of hair because I have snow everywhere. How would you rate snow day? Days. No, it's a Mike.
I think I bought mine at 46.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. It was a great day.
Lots of air time.
Lots of air. Unfortunately, we didn't get any of the fighting on camera, I don't think. We all fought each other and pushed each other in the snow. We just stayed at Freddy's for the second day in a row. Snow day is you go to Freddy's. We ran into Avery again. Who am I? Avery is wearing Hey Dudes.
The best snowshoes.
It's because I jumped in
mine
the
too.
boomer lake.
Wow, that's really good. That's really good. What day is it?
Day 3? Tuesday.
What
What are we looking for?
Yeah.
Wait, look at me. Day 3 is.
Oh my gosh.
Take the ramp!
Oh. Guys, campus offices will open at 10 a.m. Classes will begin. Are you joking? It says classes will begin at 10:30 on Tuesday.
Well, I hate that I have a 10:30.
Wait, at 10:30? I have a 9 a.m.
I think we should.
Wait, let's
Hey.
go! Let's go! Go Pokes!
None of my classes got canceled because I only have Tuesday, Thursday. We have class tomorrow, unfortunately.
I might ride with you. That way I don't have to go to
Hey, can we
freaking
take a
work
point?
on.
Okay, Kylie was mad she didn't get any vlog footage. Oh wow. Oh wow. Whoa. He's going.
Wait, I want to get in the tub. The bucket work good? I want to get there.
No. I'll push you.
Emma's going bucket.
You ready? Yep. Oh my gosh! Skylar, weren't you wanting to go?
I was gonna go, but you can go.
Let's go, Skylar. Oh, wait, let's go for your bag. Oh, lead up! Lead up!
Yep, and then I kind of pushed myself once I laid down. 1, 2, like this.
About this noble vehicle? The box.
This is gonna go terribly wrong. She's still going.
Rip.
And Caleb's still going as well. Caleb went farther than the box. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Why me? That's been so many times. Yikes.
Oh wow, Ian has a big one. Hey guys, we're doing a big snowball fight.
Come get me. A boulder.
Say hi, Corey and Dawson.
Hi vlog. What's up?
Mallory, how you feeling?
My scarf is missing. It's been taken for ransom.
I
will find it. If only someone could like. No. This is not for the weak.
I won. Game over. Oh, here they go.
Skylar doesn't know this yet, but she's about to be so
Help her!
Yeah, go help her.
Oh, you're gonna get juked!
I can't see what the thing was on.
Oh, and Mia has eaten it. Wow. Kick her while she's down.
You messed with the wrong.
I'm just.
No.
Noah, you good?
Just taking it all in.
Oh, not where I want to be. Not where I want to be.
Go get somebody.
Okay.
Go smoke them.
Who should I aim for?
Get Kinley. She just tried to throw one at you. Whoa. He's using echolocation.
That's how you do it right there, folks. Take out the vision.
Whoa. The Dylan sisters feuding.
Good tackle, Dylan.
I'm really scared.
Vlog, you're gonna come with me.
A bit of a breather here.
Yeah. Here comes Noah.
Emma, you literally went like this. You go. The rapid squeeze. You gotta wrap up.
Who was that? Must have been the camera. Oh, there goes Noah.
Animals.
For real. That's embarrassing.
What's embarrassing?
Look, it's Emma. No, the vlog. Ah!
Weak shot.
Is this on?
Yeah, you want to
Watch the Snow
Interview?
McFactory hit right here.
Wow. Assassination attempt.
I'm about to get a double
I thought it was chance.
Double
Whoa. Bam. Bam. Double McFactories.
This is good.
What are you going to do with it?
Throw it at you.
No. And we're back, vlog. Thoughts on the snowball fight?
I'm so sorry I missed yesterday.
There wasn't much of this. You're good.
No! You gotta go to the middle. We have to stick together!
You're pretty bad. Down. Okay. Now they're gonna take themselves there. Now go for me. Go. Surround. Surround. We're like a pack of wolves. Mallory, you got this?
Oh, right on the concrete. Holy crap. Hey, King of the Hill. First one to the vlog.
Is that what we're doing?
Tinley's got 1 point. 2. Skyly has been taken out. Not getting up.
Taking our sweet time. Dude, my hips are so bad. I'm starving. Guys, we can't do it again.
No Freddy's. We're going back in time to get Freddy's off the menu.
Watch me take Keter out. L-tap. I think the goal is...
Oh my gosh. Watch this tactic. Watch this tactic.
Almost.
I guess we're leaving.
Who said we needed Snow to tackle?
I'm so sorry I broke your nose.
Oh my, I somehow thought it was reversed and I was like, that's not possible.
You're done. Are you okay? Just go get the frisbee, bro. Don't make anything. Oh yeah.
Flip it sideways.
Bet you can't do this? Bet you can't.
In another life, I should have been fighting for my freedom.
Are you Scottish?
You're not, you're Scottish.
Scotland forever!
Oh my gosh, guys, this is the craziest day of my life. I'm trying to jump.
What smells really good? Hey, so I almost just got hit by them.
Good job, guys.
Holy crap! Hey, so I almost just got hit by them.
How was it, boys?
That was great. That was the best one I've done. That was gnarly. Yeah, good stuff.
You went on the grass.
Okay, push me.
So she's gonna wipe out. Told ya. That was really good. Holy.
Okay, guys, it's a beautiful day, but I can't feel my fingers or my toes anymore in my face to get some food. I think we're going to El Tap, which is our favorite place in Stillwater. Yay, snow, boo, we have class tomorrow. So this is it for the snow vlog, I think. Guys, our hands are so cold. This is literally frozen. My pants are frozen. I can like knock on them.
My hair never looks better.
I think a piece of my hair literally froze.
Oh my gosh.
It's so cold. We're telling the vlog.
Hi, I'm taking my pants off.
You weren't even out here that long.
I know.
It's like gotten colder
even
though.
Squeeze this.
I need them to come on.
Pull the bottom of my pants.
Guys.
Are
Yeah.
we getting queso? Please say yes.
Yes. Queso is a must.
Bye vlog. See you at Old Tap.
See you at El Tap.
Been a fun week.
Been a fun week. Unfortunately, we have school tomorrow. But
I
see.
could cry at the thought.
I really could. I have all
Honestly.
my classes on Tuesday, so I didn't even miss a class.
I did though.
Yeah, which is good. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Yay! Guys, 2 of my classes just got canceled!
I'm already done for tomorrow.
Woo!
Guys, look at this video of me and Mason going together.
Oh, there's Avery and Luke.
Guys, watch this video.
I got lots of good ones.
We'll insert it right here.
I think I got great footage.
All right, love you guys. Like, subscribe, go listen to my music.
I can't even do a heart. Oh.
Like, subscribe, go listen to my songs. See you on the next adventure.